In this video, I'm going to show you how to create appealing images for Pinterest using free tools. The first tool I want to show you is called Canva. You can reach it via canva.com, and here's an example image for Pinterest I created for one of my posts. You can use this as a standalone, or you can combine it with the Viral Content Buzz app I showed you in another video. This is how it looks like, and you can easily replicate this by using Canva. Canva allows you to have multiple layouts. Just click on one and you can see you can modify anything, and you can use this to create viral images for Pinterest. You can also add text easily, either choose one of those pre-made text snippets, or you can create one totally on your own. Choose the format and the size, and you can even choose any font you like. You can also change the background for your image. Just make it anything you like, and you can upload your own images, and you can also search for several things or use pre-made templates. Canva is a free tool as long as you use your own images. Otherwise, you have the option of buying images for $1 each. The second tool I want to show you is called Pablo by Buffer, and it's great for Twitter images. Of course, you could also use it for Pinterest, but I prefer to use this for my Twitter updates. You can just put in any text you like in this field. You can upload your logo to expand your branding across the net. You can add secondary text. You can choose multiple fonts. You can choose whether you want the text to be small, medium, large, or extra large, color, and you can even have it bold, light, or in italics. There are several photos you can use for free, or you can upload your own free of cost. And then you can share it right from within the app on Twitter, Facebook, or to your Buffer account. And of course, you can also download it. That's a great tool if you need a quick image. And on my blog, restaurantcoverings.com, you can also find a list of 101 free stock photo sites if you need some images to use. The next tool I want to show you is called Pinwords, and you can reach it from pinwords.com. And what it does is it allows you to pin text to Pinterest. So this is really nice. Just click on one of these or upload your own image. I will choose this one, and it will give me a nice background. Now I can choose the kind of text I want to use. For example, you can use this one, you can make it handwritten, you can make it more official, or you can use it as a caption. So it's really nice, and you will find something that fits every need you have. After choosing, you can continue. Now just put in the text you want to use. For example, I will use 68 great tools for traffic, and this can be a nice image for my blog update, and you can also put in your URL. So this is how it looks like, and you can click pin it. Now it generated your image, and you can pin it to Pinterest like on Facebook. You can share it on your Tumblr, tweet it, or share it via email with your friends. So this is a quick and dirty tool. I like it, it's free, and you should take advantage of this one. Last but not least, I have one of my favorite tools. It's called pinthemall.net, and it allows you to grab images from any web page, and it will compile them to one large Pinterest image. Just click from a web page, and now you need to grab a URL. We will use my local SEO guide again as an example and put in the URL here. Click on Pin Images, and it will go to work. Now you just need to choose the images you want to use. this one, anything you like. And now you can set a pin description, you can choose the color between the images, and you can generate the final image, or you can even adjust the order if it needs to be in any particular order to work for you. This is how it looks like, and this is a great format to use on Pinterest or in combination with Viral Content Buzz. Now you can again share it on any social network, or you can just right click and download the image. I hope this was helpful, and these are my favorite 4 tools to create pinnable images.